ka District Disaster Management Authority jong ka West Khasi Hills haringkat ka jingpluh lang bat ka National Disaster Resistance Force kum ka jingpynkhreh bat aji kai darajia kinu ki jingpluh ding ni jingwan lynshop ka mariang hakalai pau trik ulber aja arwar kalapanlong ya ka mock drill ha open new nongstoin West Khasi Hills ya ketika mock drill la ya shimenta da ki pulit ketanat penlip ding ki nongtrei ke kot ke khia ki doctor bat ki nong shong shinong hakatege singi lapan I nuksa kumno ban pentip shakinong trei jongka District Disaster Management Authority DDMA lara kumkite ki jing'e ki wanjia hake imlang ka salang hadian jongka mock drill layoru ban yekren bat uba PD sangma Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills District ubade usherman jongka District Disaster Management Authority.
Today we just conducted a mock drill on CBRN disaster or CBRN emergencies. The objective of conducting this mock drill today on CBRN disasters is to enhance our preparedness in dealing with any CBRN emergencies. And also the other objective is to develop mutual coordination among various teams and stakeholders and also response agencies and even the volunteers. So of course another objective is to find out where the loopholes are. There could be some loopholes, there could be some shortcomings. So this exercise will enable us to fine-tune our exercise, our preparedness for any disasters, particularly CBRN disasters. So the main purpose of today's mock drill is to enhance our preparedness to handle or tackle this type of situation. So we have just completed our mock drill, and now immediately after a few minutes we will be having a debriefing just to find out where the shortcomings are and where we need to improve. The DDC is the chairman of DDMA. DDMA means District Disaster Management Authority. So as the chairman of the DDMA, he is also the RO, and he is the overall in charge of all the exercise. Of course, under him, under the RO, there are various section chiefs. So they carry out the assigned duties as per the IRS.